Hello guys, welcome back to another techno review, and in this video we'll be looking at the two biggest phones from Apple and Xiaomi. Now, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with an A14 Bionic chipset, which is supposedly the fastest chipset in the world, the Mi 10T Pro also carries a surprise of its own, with a 144Hz refresh rate, which rivals even Samsung's and OnePlus. So how will these phones fare against each other? As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. The iPhone 12 Pro Max comes in 4 colors: silver, graphite, gold and Pacific blue, with a glass front and back with a stainless steel frame. While the Mi 10T Pro comes only in 3 colors: Cosmic Black, Lunar Silver and Aurora Blue. Both phones are tough as nails as they are made of Gorilla Glass, which is very strong. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has a 3689 mAh Lion non-removable battery, which can last up to 20 hours under usage. That is very impressive coming from Apple. But the Mi 10T Pro packs an enormous 5000 mAh battery, which can last an entire day on intensive usage. The Mi 10T Pro is priced at $699, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max comes at $1,399, which is twice the price of its counterpart, the Mi 10T Pro. With iOS 14.1 and an A14 Bionic chipset, for $1,099, the iPhone 12 Pro Max has the fastest chipset in the world. The Mi 10T Pro comes with Android 10 and has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 86 chipset. The Mi 10T Pro comes with 128GB and or 256GB storage space with 8GB RAM. While Apple's iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with 128GB, 256GB and 512GB with 6GB RAM. The iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with a 60Hz Super Retina OLED display, while the Mi 10T Pro has a whopping 144Hz LCD display. When it comes to cameras, the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a quad rear camera configuration with 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide and the TOF 3D LiDAR scanner. With these capabilities, the iPhone 12 Pro can take night mode portrait and unlock a new possibility for augmented reality. While the iPhone 12 Pro Max has the most advanced cameras you have ever seen on any iPhone, the Mi 10T Pro also packs a 108 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro camera, and the phone can take dual video mode and also video cloning. And both phones are 5G enabled for that matter. Thank you very much for watching. As always, let us know what you think in the comment section below. Would you pay $699 for a 108 megapixel camera phone, or $1,099 for a 12 megapixel camera phone?